Because sir, this is about question of आता सरकार बहुजन समाजा म्हणटाय आणि नाव ते बहुजन समाजा गेली नाव चेंज केलं म्हणून ते कम्युनिटी बॉब मारताय आयक आता
अरे बोवाळ मारता
बोवाड बोवाड आम्ही सालसेती बोवाड बॉब म्हणताय रे एनिवे आता द क्वेश्चन इज हियर it is replied here and in the rules it is very clear that the power rests in the sub registrar and then it was given to registrar of society registrar मागी तो एक दिला कोणाकू मागी तो फायनली पावर एक दिला कोणाकू लास्ट एका registrar district registrar come head of sub registrar okay आता here it is said that it is very clear into ki you have to be person born in Goa. Now we will come to that later, but आज सद्याक तुवें हिंग रिप्लाय दिल्या हिंग एक आन्सर दिला की no such complaint whether the government is aware that some government officials private agents are hand in gloves in the above act. You said no such complaints are there. I am bringing to your notice, there have been complaints, newspapers, जायत issues आता. तुगे government सारको paper वाचना, you don't take cognizance of what is happening on the paper. You are a very intelligent minister. What happened? There are so many cases. There is one.
काल अशें डिस्कस केल्यार नाच जालो पूण स्पीकर सर
ना काल ना झाला स्पीकर
सर हांव आन्सर करता स्पीकर सर आन्सरींग
ते काल
सर हांव आन्सरींग
काल चुलया
स्पीकर सर हांव आन्सर
काल
करता
चुलया प्रॉब्लेम ना
हे सेक्शन जे आसा सरनेम एक्ट Name and Surname Act 1990 and Rules 1995 modified notification number हांवें आन्सर दिल्ले आसा स्पीकर सर what he is claiming of some case he may give details I will inquire I am not aware of neither is my department aware of it is the police department what he is saying investigation I will inquire speaker sir I have no problem in inquiring but कितें जाता speaker sir I have also noticed
such complaints multi
I have also noticed and in newspapers हेदो असो येता सर हेदो असो चेंज इन नेम तुमी जर आमी तुमचे हेजेर आमी जो एक्ट हाडला काल हांवें इंट्रोड्यूस केला आज तुमी पास करपाचे आहा आय थिंक इन दॅट एक्ट इट इज क्लॅरिफायड वॉट स्टेप्स हॅव टू गो टेकन इज ऑलरेडी क्लॅरिफायड इन द न्यू एक्ट वेर देर विल बी इम्प्रिजमेंट ऑफ द पीपल you cannot just put you have to go through the procedure this procedure which is now modified in the 1990 act has to be followed if anybody publishes it will be taken as a considerable offense directly हे power पहिले नाशिल्ले speaker sir so now you just cannot publish a small article